Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, accelerators. Page 41. And 134. Oh, take two. And 143, which is very similar to 120, which I did about a minute ago. 8 5 8 5 8 8 5 8 5 8. We just never dropped to the 1. 8 5 8 5. So 8 5 1. And finishing up with 152. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.